Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Taylor here. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Is this a real Coach hat? Yes, it is. I did purchase it with real money from the Coach factory outlet store. So yes, it is 100% real Coach and I love it and I'm rocking it today. It's happening. On today's unboxing video, I'm going to be unboxing something that I'm super excited about. I have had one before and I love using them. They're amazing and they're great to travel with. And I think that this one honestly is like the perfect travel size as well. But anyway, so we're going to be unboxing the DJI Spark. Now, DJI is a fantastic brand. If you haven't heard of them, they make all kinds of drones. But this one is like one of the smaller ones that they make, and I think it's like the perfect size for like traveling, especially if you get like the case and everything with it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this. Let's start unboxing it. Now, this one is the smaller one. I actually had like the Maverick Pro or whatever as well, but that one is like a little bit bigger, so it's kind of more difficult to travel with than this one. This one is a lot easier to travel with, and it can fit perfectly in cases and things like that. So yeah, this one I think is like the perfect size for that. So let's go ahead and see how it looks. I love the box though, like this white and everything. It's so pretty. We've got two things in here. We have this long box right here that says Spark Instructions. And then we also have this nifty little case right there, which I'm guessing is where the drone is gonna be. So let's go ahead and do this first. We always love to start off with good instructions, even though I never read them. Alright, so we got the charge block, and we have the cable, micro USB, alright. And then we have care fresh instructions. And then it looks like a ton of pamphlets of various instructions. So this one's battery safety guidelines. This one is the gesture mode, which I'm super excited about using the gesture mode. So this is like one of those like kind of like selfie drones or whatever. So apparently you're supposed to like be able to like have it take off kind of from your hand, and then you can do like various like gestures like this or like this to take a picture or whatever, and like move it with your hand like this, whatever. So that looks pretty cool. Gonna feel all types of magneto doing that. I'm super excited about it. I'm here for anything that makes me feel like a wizard. Love it. Next up, let's go ahead and open this. Now look at this. Isn't this like super cute? Like I love this like little box thing right here. Look at that. That is so cute. Ugh, I love that. I love it. All right, so let's go ahead and open it so that way you guys can see it. Pop out. There you go. Okay. Yes, that is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I love it. I love the way that it's like put in here. So it looks like what we have are two batteries. So there's one and there's two. Now, if you've never used a drone before, the batteries on these things don't last at all. You need to have as many batteries as possible. If you're planning to go out, to go to the beach, to whatever, like, get a whole bunch of these. Like, two is not near enough, I'm gonna go ahead and say. And then right here, it looks like we have some extra propellers. Yes, okay, cute. And then here we have the Spark in all of its glory. Look at that. It's super cute. So it looks like there's some sensors there. These are the sensors for like the hand gesture stuff. And then this is the gimbal for which has the camera on it. So that'll be moving and everything for recording. Then we've got the propellers. It looks like some LED lights, probably some more sensors, and yeah, some sensors right there. And then where the battery goes right here, And it looks like back here is where you'll put your little SD card right in there, and then there's like a little plug for charging it. It looks like super awesome. It's got little LED lights. Let's turn it on. I'm not gonna like actually fly it inside, but when I do like a review, I will include like drone footage and everything. So I'll have that. There we go. Look at all the lights. That's so cool. Yeah, so that clearly means that it's not like ready to fly or anything, so we're not gonna be trying that inside, but yeah. Not really loud either, that's good. It's not flying though, but still. Alright, well, I mean, that's it. I love this little case thing that it came in, and the packaging is amazing. Definitely going to do a review video on this one. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be great to use and everything, and I love how compact this is. It can fit in my hand like this, see? And I have relatively small hands, so yeah, that's pretty good. And I think in terms of storage, like putting it, like taking it on a plane or anything, like that'll be, or even like putting it in the suitcase, will be pretty easy to do. I love this thing though, but I'm probably gonna get like a proper storage case like I have for my Maverick. Yeah, I think that that's everything. I'm definitely going to do a review video on that, so look out for that. Definitely get one of these. I'm going to post a link down below for Amazon, so you can like go and easily find it and buy it on there. Just the drone like by itself with, I think like the battery and everything is like $350, and then if you want like the remote control, which I would highly suggest doing, just because it's very difficult to fly drones on a phone, and it's a lot easier to use the controller, and you don't need like as much service, so it's very easy to fly it with the controller, and then you can use your phone as like the screen and see everything from the phone versus trying to like kind of look on your phone while at the same time trying to navigate it. So I would suggest that one's $400. I'll post both of them down below, and probably like next week or something I'll do like a review video of using this, put some drone footage in there and everything. And if you guys want, I can also do like a how-to video of setting it up and using the application and everything, so I can also kind of go through what the application looks like and stuff like that as well. So let me know if you guys like this video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys around the world. Bye.